Hi, welcome to Radiant Mind Academy. My name is Hugo. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to simplify these two initial expressions with algebraic terms. They are simple. All you need to do is to obey the laws of indices and you arrive at the answer. Let's solve the problem. So first, I'm giving 1 divided by x raised to the power negative 1 divided by 1 divided by y raised to the power negative 1, or enclosed in the bracket raised to the power of negative 1. Now, here I can express this as 1 divided by 1 divided by s divided by 1 divided by y. Everything being enclosed in the bracket of negative 1. So now I can write that 1 divided by 1 divided by x, or divided by 1 divided by 1 divided by y. Everything enclosed in a bracket all the way to the power negative 1. So I know that from the reciprocal of division will be multiplication. So we have 1 times x divided by 1, or divided by 1 times y divided by 1. So everything is enclosed in bracket always upon negative 1. So 1 from the numerator, 1 times x is x divided by 1 is x, 1 times y is y divided by 1 is y. Everything here is equal to negative 1. So therefore, I can have that the answer is y divided by x, because x divided by y always equal to negative 1 is the reciprocal of y divided by x. This is our answer. Very simple.